Hey, Dean here at the Secret Underground Lair. So today we did more sanding on all of our pieces. I've got them up to 120. I also went through each tongue on our box joints, just sanded them a little bit so that they'll fit better. Not quite so snug. They're still snug, but not as snug. And I went out and I got some material for the bottoms of the drawers. But I wanted to spend a minute and just tell you about these drawer slides. So these are undermount drawer slides, which typically, a drawer slide is like this. This is meant to mount up against the side of the cabinet, and then of course the side of the drawer slips in there and this little hook attaches to the back of the drawer, and this little pin goes in through the side into a hole that's in the side of the drawer itself, so everything is held snug. But I got a problem, a few problems. One, there is no side of the cabinet. This is entirely a floating drawer, so there's no cabinetry on the side, there's no cabinetry on the back, there's no cabinetry on the bottom, or on the front rather. So can't really mount the drawer slide to anything. And in fact, that likely means that the drawer slide is going to have to be mounted inside the drawer. So I'll reverse the slides, the left and the right. I'm going to mount it inside, but that means then I'm going to cut off this flange because we don't need that. And the base of the slide will be bolted onto the floor onto the shelf of the cabinet. Now I have to attach this to this. And I want to be able to do that in such a way, well, let me describe this another way. Normally, you would unhook a pin and then the drawer itself would slide off the drawer slide. Not going to work in this case because this drawer slide is entirely enclosed and there is no back face here on the cabinet. As I mentioned, this is entirely free floating, so I want the back of the drawers to be completely solid. So it presents a bit of an interesting challenge, is how do you mount the drawer? Now I have a plan, and the plan is we're not going to use this little pin. Instead, we're going to have this piece is actually going to be screwed into the side of the drawer. Going to cut off that tab because there's nothing to which we can attach to the back of the cabinet, or back of the drawer rather. Cut off this and screw that down into the shelf itself. So to remove the drawer, what it will mean is you'll unscrew 2 screws on each drawer slide from underneath the cabinet, like from the bottom side of the shelf that the drawer is sitting on. A nut will be welded on here, a little nut will be welded on here, so that little machine screw would undo that. Then you take out the whole drawer, slides and all, from the cabinet, should you ever need to remove the drawers. Not expecting that's the case, but it's possible that perhaps maybe one of these soft closed drawer slides malfunctions. These are soft closed drawer slides, kind of nice. So just come in and close in nicely, so they're silent. They work well. So that's the plan for these drawer slides. That's what I'm going to get up to tomorrow. So I just thought I'd give you a very short video today, kind of let you know about some of the progress that was made, which was sanding, and more sanding, and working out a plan for the drawer slide. So see you tomorrow. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll start tackling some metal work on the drawer slides.